Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today this tutorial I'm going to show you what are the Python arrays and their explanation. So what is array? An array is a special variable which can hold more than one value at a time. So in Python that doesn't have built-in support for arrays, but Python list can be used instead of array that is used to store the multiple values in a single variable. We know before this. So now go to the for the practice. So first of all, if we take a variable and we declare or a variable hold this value, if we run this, see the print is a variable value things. Next, access the element of an array. What is access? How way or indexing it can get called, or how to arrangement we can call, memory addressing we can call in this way. So if x variable we hold, or we suppose that x variable hold a variable. So a variable means which hold these kinds of value. Apple, IBM, Microsoft value hold a variable. Okay. Now if I press the 2, that means the position number 2 which value hold in that array list. Okay. So here it will start 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like way the array. So if we not declare actually the memory management, so it hold the address 0, then next IBM carry 1 as well as the Microsoft carry 2 value indexing number addressing. So in this way it is start from the 0. So if we press 2, then what output come? It come Microsoft. See, run this. Now 1, why we press the 1 and it NASA, that means append or something like that, we index or insert or change the new value. If a variable, this a variable 1 carry IBM and it changes with the IBM value, and instead of IBM it enter the NASA value. See, Apple, the next position number hold NASA, then Microsoft. Length of array. So how many length it has? That means how many numbers or how many things, how many product or how many blah blah blah. So here if we declare length x variable or something variable, we suppose, then declare the length, then it the result outcome 3. 3 means how many input is here? 1, 2, 3. See? Now, looping array elements. We know very well that what is looping. So declare for x in A. It is a loop size. When we declare loop or we want to do something or irreusable something, then we use sometimes nested value or something like this. So in that time it printed in this way. Next, adding array elements. We want to add something in that list. So a variable before that carry this value and we append, that means to add something. So Samsung we want to add. So if we press this run, the Samsung value will be added. Now removing array elements. If you want to remove a specific value, that can remove easily in Python array elements. So how? So if pop option as well as the remove. So pop means 3 declared, so 3 position which value carry 0, 1, 2, 3. So Samsung we add, now we remove with the help of pop things. So pop 3, the C The Samsung value is not present here. Now remove. What we want to remove as well as Microsoft we want to remove. So press, see, the Microsoft value will be removed. Now copy array list. So how we can copy? The copy array list X we hold or we suppose, then A copy X. How? Print this value. So in this way, before we do that, just if you wanna print this, copy, and the next, see, paste. And how? This is Y as well as Y, print the same value. It will be printed X variable. See, NASA. If you wanna press Y, see this. Again, if you wanna press X, see, print, and this, see, come. Actually copy means we want to copy some kinds of value in other variables. That's it. So count. So is USA is a value a array. So USA is present or not? It is counted. How? So if we press this, 0. 0 means USA value is not presenting the X value or A value or Y value. Now NASA, is it okay or not? See, NASA has one time and it printed 1. Now insert, we want to insert Intel in that array list. So see, 1 position you declare, that's why it printed the 1 position, 0 1 Intel. Now as well as index. So what is index? So in indexing size, NASA, before you declare, the which position is index 0 1 2. NASA is presented in the index 2. Now extended add the elements of a list to the end of the current list. So here we suppose A1 B1, A1 has this value, B1 has this value. So A extend B1, that means A variables we declare that have this value 1 to 3 and this value remaining that variable, and we want to add from the where, from the B variable. So we want to copy or extend a variable from the value come B variable. See, now it will print A. So see, 1 2 6, it will be printed. First A value will remain. Now the extra B value which have, that will here. Now if we A press this, and now we want to clear A or B or something like that. So clear, see. So A, if we want to press A value, so before that we have checked that A value a variable carry this value. If you want to clear this, clear, see, A variable has no, but B1 it has, see, it has this kinds of value. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much. Please subscribe this channel.